Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel friends. Today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of cable knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 13 plus 6 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 13 plus 6 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 13 stitches, multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 13 stitches plus 6 extra stitches 19 and plus 2 edge stitches 21. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip and yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. First we make 6 stitches side cable. For this purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over to back, knit together from back loop, purl 2, 1, 2. This is our 6 stitches side cable. Now we make our main cable of 7 stitches, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, purl 2, knit 7. This is 13 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 7 stitches. Here we make 6 stitches side cable, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn over to back, knit together from back loop, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is completion of second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl, yarn over also purl, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 7 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over to front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit together, yarn over, purl 2, knit 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 7 stitches. Now purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit together from front loop, yarn over to front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is completion of fourth row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, Now purl 7 stitches with 2 times yarn over. 1 2 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 6 1 2 7. Yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 7 with 2 times yarn over. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 7 stitches. Knit 2, 1 2 purl 2, 1 2 knit 2, 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. 7 row right side, fifth row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1 2 yarn over to back, knit together from back loop, purl 2, 1 2. Now slip 7 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Take these 7 stitches on your right needle. Now take these first 4 stitches and twist these 4 stitches. Now take these 4 on your left needle. Now take these 7 stitches together and make 7 stitches from back loop. First we knit 1, make some loose stitch, 1, now yarn over 2, knit again, 3, yarn over 4, knit again, 5, yarn over 6, knit again, 7. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, purl 2, make 7 stitches from 7 stitches. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 7 stitches. Purl 2, 1 2 yarn over to back, knit together from back loop, purl 2, 1 2 knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl, yarn over, also purl in every wrong side row. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1 2 purl 2, 1 2 knit 2, 1 2 purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 7. Knit 2, 1 2 purl 2, 1 2 knit 2, 1 2 purl edge from wrong side. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of N. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.